Preparing for first start in about 1 year. Fuel pump relay is removed. We're going to crank it for a few minutes. And we will see how that new fuel pump does. Gas tank registers just under a quarter tank. 5 gallons added, 93. Let's get busy. Here we go. Fuel pump's working. It's quiet. It's a Dashworks DW200. Five gallons of 93 on a bone dry tank, accounting for our reserve, exactly where it should be. Wheel speed sensors disconnected pending the differential. Brake system bleed is up next. Running smooth. 1 year.